have a crush on him. I really like Nathan.
Okay, I gotta find Hadrian, tell Hadrian to stand in a new place, find Nathan to tell him to stand in the old place Hadrian was standing in.
What if he doesn't like me?
What? Snap out of it! Listen, like I always say, don't worry.
Maybe he thinks I'm too perky.
Bad thing.
Or dance funny.
It's every little thing. It's gonna be
Or my
alright.
hair's too poofy.
Don't you worry. Bad thing.
About a thing.
Oh, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Alright.
Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you. Oh, don't worry
Don't worry.
about a thing.
Honey.
Dawn, I'm trying to sing. It's every